So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I will explain about the Docker. Will deploy an application using Docker. So be stay here, okay? And I'll show you everything with practical, okay? Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we need an instance, right, on AWS. So let me go to my AWS. And as of now we don't have any instances which are running. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so we have 0 instances. Okay, we have security groups. Let me delete the security groups. Yeah, cool. So let me create an instance for a Docker. Okay, so click on launch instance and we'll say name as Docker application. Okay, yeah, let me go with Ubuntu only. Okay, confirm. Yeah, let me select my KPI which I have existing one. Okay, and let me allow this allow HTTP traffic from the internet actually. So okay, yeah, let me check it, and let me click on launch instance. Okay, let me connect with this machine. Okay, let me click on connect. Okay, so now we are on the Docker application machine which I have created just now. Okay, and now let me log in as a root user. So for that we have to do sudo so. Okay, let me first clear this console. Okay, now let me update my packages, all the packages. So for that we have command apt update. Okay, yeah, now it has been updated. Now let me install the Docker also. Okay, so first clear the console, and so to install the Docker we have a command apt install docker.io, and we'll give the flag as a by. Okay, now so Docker has been installed. If you want to if you want to clarify whether it is installed or not, so let me run a command docker -f versions. Okay, yeah, you can see That means Docker has been successfully installed in our machine. Okay, now so to see the Docker images, let me run a command docker images. Okay, so as of now we don't have any images of the Docker. So this docker images command, what it actually does, so show me the list all the images in local repository. Local repository list is nothing but the our machine, that is EC2 instance. Okay, so as of now we don't have any images. Okay, now so since we don't have the images, so let me create a container with Ubuntu images. Okay, so for that we'll run a command docker run -it. Don't worry guys, I'll explain this command also. Name of the container, which is nothing but I'll go with the C01. Okay, and Ubuntu bin bash. Okay, so let me copy this entire command and paste it on the my notepad, and I'll explain. Okay, so guys, this docker to docker daemon. So daemon is nothing but the heart of the docker, you can say, right? You can understand, you can assume like that. And run means to create or to generate something, so we are using to run. Create or generate something. Now you might be wondering what is an -it, right? So let me explain that one also, and let me scroll okay, so okay, let me type it here. So interactive terminal, so you will enter inside the container, right? If we are using -it, so you make sure, like, definitely we are inside the container. Okay, so after it is created, you can also use detach mode also, right? We have a -dt also, which is detach terminal, which means that you will not enter inside the container, correct? So yeah, this is about the difference between -it and -dt, right? And so this hyphen name is nothing but the showing like what what is the name we are going to give of the container actually. Okay, so let me type that also. Name of the container is C01, right? You can use any name of the container, right? And so we are giving the container name of 12 as a C01. Okay, and why we are using this, what this win bash to interact with container, we execute bash terminal, right? I hope this command you have understood and like, right? Or if you have any queries or any doubts, just do let me know in the chat box or in the comment box. I'll reply, definitely reply. Okay guys, and this event2 is nothing but the right, this event2 is nothing but the base image of the container. Okay, now let's move on the practical part. Okay, so yeah, cool, but we are not using this off. I don't know why I have written this. Okay, so let me hit the enter and let me run this command. Okay, now see guys, as I told you, if we are using IT hyphen IT, it means interactive terminal. So we are inside the terminal, right? So guys, now you might be wondering if how can we come out of this container, right? So there are two ways actually to come out from this from this container. So one is like, if we type exit, so the whatever the service has been running inside this container will be stopped, and if we want to all the service will remains run, but we want to come out the container, so for that we have to type control, I'm not gonna type, we have to press control P and control Q, right? This will keep container running and you will come out of the container. Okay, so let me show the first way as well. Let me type exit. Okay, so now if you see the container running, so no container has been running actually. Okay, so this docker ps command will show the all the containers which are running. Okay, and if you want to see the all the containers which are running and which are stopped, so for that docker ps minus a. Okay, so you can see, right, we have like come out of the container just 2 minutes, I mean 28 seconds ago. Now you might be also wondering like, I have stopped the container, still I want to access it, and how can I do it? So for that, docker start and container name. So container, what is the container name? C01, right? So C01. So the container is up and running. You can see by the command of docker ps. You can see, right, up, the status up. Okay, now so you also having doubt like you have showed me the how can we come out from the container. So one is the exit command, and second one also I've told you, but I haven't showed by practical, right? So if you want to see that practically, I'll show you that one also. So let me enter inside the first container. Okay, so for that we have also command docker execute nothing but execute detach, I mean interactive mode, right? And the container name c01 and the terminal win bash. Okay, let me hit enter. See, now we are inside the container, right? So as I showed here, if I do exit, so the service which are running inside the container will stopped. But now if you want to keep running all the services which are running inside this container, but if you want, then afterwards you want to come out from the container, for that we have a command. So as I said, control P and control Q. See, you come out of the container, but if you see the container running or not, let me show you this also. See, the container is running, up and running. Okay, now so let's suppose I have application running inside the container, but I want to access that application from internet. How can we do that, right? So let me show that one also, as was the highlights of this video actually, right? So guys, how we can access this application which are running inside the container, right? So the application accessed by the port number or an IP address, right? So the container, we don't have any port number, so you cannot do the port expose on the existing container. If you had created the container, then there is no way to access, there's no way to expose that container on the port number, right? So since the content does not have its own public IP address, to access the application from the internet, we have to expose the port within a machine. Here we will expose the application on any port number. Okay, let me show that one also. Guys, as I told you, right, we cannot expose our application existing an application, so we have to create, in any way we have to create. So let me create another component. So to create a container, I already showed the command is docker run -it. It's like a interactive terminal, and -p. If we give the small p small p, that means we are assigning the port number. Okay, and if we don't give -p, if we can give the capital P, that means we don't have to give the port number, it will by default take. Okay, so let me give the port number, on which port number we have to access our application. So let me give the 49. Okay, colon 80. So that port number is the container port number. Okay, and -name, name of the containers. Let me give the web application. Okay, and you want to, and base terminal name actually winbash. Let me hit enter. Okay, so now we are inside the container. Okay, yeah. So guys, yeah, so container now up and running. We have created component, we have created a container, right? Now we need a server by which we can access our application, right? So for that, let me install Apache as well. So we'll run all this command inside the container only. So let me just first let me update my packages, all the packages, okay, which are required. Okay, now let me install the Apache. So apt install Apache 2. Okay, we can install any version of Apache, but as of now I'm going with the Apache 2. Okay, and now we will install the git also here. Let it installed. Okay, now apt, now I'm going to install git install git hyphen by. Now we can verify whether it's installed or not. So like git hyphen version, yeah. And now also we verify the Apache. So Apache 2 hyphen version, syntax error. Okay, it's not asking the syntax error, it's giving the something, yeah. So let me start our Apache server, Apache 2 start. Let me clear it. For your reference, I'm just running the history command, like in which all the commands I have ran in this machine. Okay, so these are all the commands which I ran. Okay, so let me copy the public IP of this machine. And let me type here colon 4 times 9. Yeah, you can see here, right? Apache is running. Now you'll see, right, this page is now we can see on the browser. So the port number which I have given while creating the container, okay. So with the port number we are accessing our Apache server, okay. So it, but like what is previously is not working because we haven't allowed this security inside the group, security group, right? So we have added the rules, right, for all traffic. See, you can see here for all traffic protocols, all protocols. That's the reason. Okay, now instead of this page, I want to show my page. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. Okay, so let me go to my container. Okay, and you can see this page how we can see that which page is coming on the browser. To confirm this, we will go inside this index. This is an index.html file. So where it is located? So let me show you that one also. Cd var inside the www.html index. ls. See, this is the file which we are seeing on the browser. If you want to see the container of that file, we can see that one also. Yeah, see, this is the exact page which we are seeing on the browser. So you can see the title Apache Ubuntu default page, it works, right? So let me verify with this. See, Apache default page, it works. Okay, now now so instead of this page I want to show you the, or else I'll show you here, we can edit this page also. So vi index.html, okay, vim index.html nano. Oh, so we don't have a, we haven't installed the editor here. Okay, no issues. Yeah, so we have removed this index page. Now what we have to put in place of index.html. Or now if you refresh the browser, you cannot see anything right on the browser. Let me show you this one also. See, you cannot see anything because we have removed this page, right? So for now we will fork this page, I mean we will clone this page, okay, from here. Yeah, let me fork this. Okay, and go to my shoot machine. So git clone repository name, and we can also, we want to copy, we want to replace, we want to paste here this page, right? So we will give the directory also, where html, inside this html directory, right? Let me give the enter. Now, 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 so let me refresh the browser. Now we have index.html page. If we refresh on the browser, you will see our website page, right? Which we now have deployed. Yeah, friends, so this is all I wanted to show you guys, right? This is how we can deploy any web page or application on the browser using Apache servers actually. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you.